Good evening. I hope your week is going well. Thank you for tuning into another episode of Uncover with Dale. Tonight, I would like to share a poem for the end of the week. The poem is titled The Deep Ocean of the Heart, a Remembrance of Love. The heart is where the past and future coexist. Past and future love merge in a dance. We move forward as the scars of love rest deep in the heart's chasm. Time is tangible, yet the heart seems to fail along the course. Through the joys and sorrows, the beating heart continues. Love is beautiful, yet it offers both hope and pain. Old memories of love will continue to fill the cavity of the heart. Love is a gift, it is never wasted. As we reach out through our dreams, we hope to find some solace in our pain. We move forward with a heavy heart until the heart no longer beats. The pain will cease and be replaced by eternal peace. As always, I leave you with these words. Remember your childhood eyes of wonder and never let go of seeing the amazing wonders of this world. May you discover your worth and your value is more than the beautiful oceans and mountains around us. May you awaken to the mystery of being in this world and enter the quiet immensity of your own presence. May you have boundless joy and peace in the temple of your senses. May you live in a neighborhood of wonder. May you locate the kindness that dwells deep down in things and presides everywhere, often in places we least expect to find them. May you wander often in the vast landscape of the wilderness of creation to discover the direct divine imagination. May all that is unforgiven in you be released. May your fears find peace. May all that is unlived in you blossom. May you find a kaleidoscope of hope. May you have boundless joy. And may your dreams find peace and be filled with wonderful memories. Thank you again for tuning in to Dale Uncovered. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week.